Ollama just released a preview working on Apple Silicon via MLX, and it's pretty cool. And to start out, it looks like they have one model available, which is a Qwen 3.5 model. And they optimized this one for coding. Let's see, I think it lists it down here. Yeah, so it's the Qwen 3.5 model right here, and they recommend that you have at least 32 gigabytes of unified memory on your Mac device in order for this to work. And if you want to use this model in Msty Studio, well, you can do that right now. In Msty Studio, just ensure that you're on the latest version of Msty Studio, which you could check in the settings general area. And also the more important thing is click on local AI, and you'll want to make sure that you have version 0.19.0 installed. Local AI in Msty Studio, the backbone of this is Ollama. We also separately have bundles for MLX and Llama CPP directly, but for local AI, the backbone of this is Ollama. So make sure that you have 0.19.0 installed. This is the Ollama version that comes with this preliminary MLX support. All right, the next thing that you want to do is go over to the Model Hub and go into the local AI models section. And then what you want to do is click on Ollama models. As of right now, recording this video, they don't have the listing quite yet available, but you can look for it. Just go to Qwen 3.5 and then look on the right rel. If you see 35B and then coding, then that may be the version that you're looking for. So I already have it installed, but I'm going to show you what you could do. I'm just going to copy the model name real quick and then go back to Ollama models. What you could do is just type in this right here, and I'll add this into the description of the video, so you could just copy and paste it, and then click on install, and then that's going to just pull that from Ollama's registry and then download it to your device. And again, this is the preliminary MLX model that they have available right now. So after you download that, you'll see that in your installed models, such as right here. If you want to change this name, go ahead and click on the edit button, and then we could clean this up a little bit. How about we just add coding? And I'm going to add coding to the end of it. And this is just so it's easier to identify at a quick glance. And then I'm going to update that. And then let's go to a new conversation. And let's select a model. This is also a Qwen 3.5 MLX model, obviously, but this one's not using the Ollama backend. Let's click on this and then go to Msty Local and then find this one right here. This is our MLX model that we want to test with Ollama. And then let's just say hello. Okay, and it's warming up and it's coming in pretty quick. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, and I think with the Llama models, let's see. I'm going to go in here and edit it real quick. Okay, I already have thinking enabled. So I'm going to check thinking effort. Yeah, we just have default or none available. So if this was with the MLX bundle that we have, there's different thinking settings. So you could set it to a higher thinking level or a lower thinking level, or also just select none as well. All right, let's ask another question and see if it thinks. Okay, so that turned thinking off. So we go up here and expand the thinking area. You can see the thoughts that it processed. And down here, it's all hidden. It's just turned off. Let's add that back because it works pretty quickly, actually, which is cool. And then how about we ask it to do something, since this is optimized for coding, how about we ask it to program a game in Python? All right, just gonna one-shot this and see what we get. Okay, so it's gonna do some pondering. And now it's gonna write some code. Okay, it finished its response, so we could look through the code it generated. I'm not gonna actually test this out, but we could see that it generated the code. And you may be asking, oh, this is cool. Is it available in agent mode? So we do have agent mode available right now in Msty Studio. However, we don't have local model support for it quite yet. So look for that coming out in the near future. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this and be sure to take this all for a spin.